Because of enormous growth in web traffic, a company has planned to purchase additional servers to help handle it. What service or technology would support this requirement? Virtualization, data center, cloud services, dedicated servers. This is a CCNA 3 exam question, and you can find the information on CCNA module 13 to 14 section. And when you look at the answers, the most possible answers may be data center, dedicated servers, and cloud services. We know the virtualization is already out of the question. But this can be a tricky question, even though it looks very easy, because B, C, and D, all three answers seems to be correct because they have all enormous growth in web traffic and the company want to just handle that traffic, and what's the best technology that would do this. And the correct answer to this question is D, dedicated servers, because out of all the other options, data center, cloud services, the best option is the dedicated servers, because dedicated servers allow such companies to handle that growth in web traffic using dedicated equipment so that it can scale easily. Obviously, the cloud services can do that too. So is the data centers. However, you have to look from the company's point of view. Typically, what they would do is using dedicated servers to and then put those dedicated servers in service to handle such growth in web traffic. I know this is a tricky question. This is a CCNA 3 exam question, and it is not even technical per se. It's more of a combination between technical analysis of a situation and what would a company would do in this kind of situation. So basically it is a combination of technology, technical know-how, and what would most likely a company from business point of view would do. So answer to this question is D, dedicated servers. But if you are questioning why not cloud services and data centers, and you have other trains of thoughts, please leave a comment in this video and I will get back to you why CCNA program think the D is the correct answer for this question. If you'd like to learn more about CCNA, please check my videos on CCNA lectures posted on my YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you so much and have a nice day.